Hello, hi everyone. In today's video, we will talk about why DaVinci Resolve is not starting. So if I double click on it, then it is waiting, the waiting sign is scrolling over there and it is not starting at all. Let me open the task manager just to show you what is going on. Let me start again. We will see in the task it is consuming some CPU, there is some memory appearing, starting to initialize it, but it is not working properly. Most probably because you are using multiple video cards or multiple graphic cards in your device. It's a laptop or it's a PC, doesn't matters. You can check that part by going to the device manager and try to find the display adapters. And as you see, in my case, I have three display adapters. One is a docking station, the other is the standard Intel graphic card, and there is a dedicated card from NVIDIA. And if we disable the integrated graphic card by disabling device, you would see that DaVinci Resolve is already starting. And let's wait a couple of more seconds. And the software is here. So you would be able to use, run, and do your usual edits. If you would like to see similar videos in the future, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a nice day.